is granted to Zontas crew as part of Bristol Republic.
Yes!
Okay, so again, we would like to congratulate everyone and ride safe sa lahat. No? Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, I really appreciate this.
Yes.
This pretty much solidifies our membership in the Bristol Republic, which all out support sa mga events and to anything that we have. So, looking forward to more support from you guys. And hopefully more people show up and more events happen. And definitely the next event, the next anniversary will be more grandeur, I would say.
Yes.
Mas malaki pa, di ba?
Yun.
Mas maraming sponsors, mas maraming prizes.
How about a big hand for our sister Mary Chu Castro in the house? Palakpakan mo natin. Marmoto goodies. Sabi niya, suotin mo na daw. Thank you, thank you.
Picture.
Picture na, picture. Ba? May picture pa? Yeah.
One. Tara, hindi na kasama sa major yan.
Wala na.
Thank you, Marmoto goodies. Another one from the south, Mr. Lito P. Blair.
Yun.
Go, all or nothing, kay Lito. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Panalo ka naman eh.
Okay. Our next winner.
Wala pang picture.
Picture ka dito. Hawak mo ang beat.
Panalo ka ng hawak ang brief.
Hawak ang beat. Alright. 1, 2, and next winner would be our brother. So Mr. Santa Claus, Magot in the house. Magot, namimigay na chocolate to.
Yun.
Magot in the house. Grabe, nakambing yun naman. Si Brother Mangot. Grabe, picture. Yeah. There you go. Thank you so much. Congratulations, brothers. Nagdilang head po. Palakpakan po natin. Walang iba kundi si Melon. Boy, Ligaw in the house. Yeah. Okay, press. Baka makahanginin lang ito. Picture na.
Picture.
Yeah.
Alright.
Next winner of 500 peso, G. Freaking cash.
Kumaya ka sa major.
Dito, only here at Lolo Etox will be
Pepe.
Vince and Davos in the house. Palakpakan po natin, Vince. Grabe.
Yun.
Sulit ang hindi pag-uwi kay Mrs. Grabe. Hindi uwi. May pambawas na sa lunch. Okay. May pambawi kay Mrs. Pansukol.
May picture pa ba?
Picture. Oh, 500 to eh.
500 yan.
Thank you. Another 500 pesos courtesy of our press. Okay. Walang iba kundi ang mahal nating Cap Bunny Teason in the house. Woo!
Yeah.
Kap, paliga ka naman ng basketball sa Santos Crew, oh. Para masaya tayo. Tayo sa Maynila, oh.
Hindi, pwede naman. Basta kailangan marami tayo. Pag ganito karami, parang kulang pa rin.
Wala pa, okay. Di bale.
Pag dumami.
Isasama natin ang ang ibang brand. Tsaka Elite. Yeah. There you go. Thank you so much. Cap Bunny. 500 pesos also goes to John Haji Perez. Sulit. Grabe, sulit. Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
Yan. From Cavite. Surprisingly, nakita namin kanina. Yeah.
Ang ganda pero hindi.
Alright, thanks so much, brother. Gloves, large in size. Okay, sinong winner natin ng next raffle? Lucky winner. None other than
Bunot ka na.
my more sister, Maria Pampico in the house!
Oy.
Sa online selling naman dyan, Mars. You
Yun.
want Mason Tex gloves. Picture.
Picture.
provided by Spider, of course. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Congratulations. Sino kaya? Mukhang si James ang gagamit.
Alam na.
Alright, thank you so much. Congratulations, and lucky winner of the Spider Shades will be, last but not the least, who just came, is our sister Joy Baronia in the house. Grabe naman. Grabe, OBRs, ang lalakas niyo ha. Siliman daw at magaling na yahabol pa din. Grabe naman. Oh, grabe naman. Oh, Chet, kung si Chet na magsusuot, grabe.
Salamat, Spider!
Yes.
Thank you, Spider. Winner of our AOC. What do you call this? Hat?
Yeah.
Hat.
Next winner, mabilisan, Joel Ramos, my brother in the house, Team Blazin.
Yes.
Of course,
Paano
none other than.
Simulada para sana sa
Oh,
GPS niya.
Siyempre. AOC, thank you so much for your time, brother.
Thank you.
Team Blazin.
Para sa sponsor.
Alright, thank you so much. Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
Next winner, Ate freaking Burns! Yeah! Do that! Okay, no? Picture. Okay, DR. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much. Congratulations. G! Boy!
G-Boy.
Sulit ang biyaya from our brother from Pasig. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Pinch. Next one will be Boss Glenn. Turo pa siya, oh. Turo pa. Teka, nasan si Shadow? Tulog.
Akin to, nagkakulagan mo to.
Oo, gagawin may
Special
contest
na
na doon.
Dito yan.
Ano pa, embroidered.
Okay.
Ay, sorry.
Okay.
I want to...
Thank you.
I want to give DK Moro.
Yep,
Yes.
He's the one that sponsored this for us.
mad props.
Salamat, DK.
DK Moro.
Sayang di siya nakapunta rito, pero he made sure that he gave us something to really remember.
Yeah, exactly. To celebrate and to grace our night with Arezzo Intercom. Ayaw niya pa sabihin na siya yung nagbigay, pero Johar King, salamat. Pero wala ka dito, paulit-ulitin namin Johar King.
Yes, thank you very much, Johan King.
Newly added to the group.
Oh, drum roll!
Our winner, grabe, Rezo, will be... Ano ba yun? Ulit?
Yeah, inulit na lang.
Okay. None other than Mr. Ben Tumbling Mangot in the house! Grabe eh. Grabe. Ay! Okay. Grabe. Just so everyone would know, si Mr. Mangot, grabe to.
Yes,
Kahit sa buhangin, kahit sa talent, ang kambling po to. Kahit sa Sontes, sa Caloocan. Every morning, glad to celebrate with us. Congratulations, Rezo Pilot winner. Kahit sa putek, kahit sa lake, kahit may tae, ganyan. Thanks so much, brother. Congratulations.
Paano ba siya nakapilay sa akin?
Spider helmet, size large, with dust bag, and I think it's color matte black.
Alright.
None other than
Thank you!
Mark.
Mark.
Who's Mark daw? Mark. Okay, yeah! In the house! Grabe naman.
Tumbling.
Grabe, picture, Mark. Sulit ang biyahe ni Brother Mark, ah.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Picture.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more.
Salamat.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. All right. AOC.
Ito na.
C7 Series HD.
Salamat, Pepe!
Display lang naman. Sponsored
Yun.
by AOC, by Pepe, of course.
Yes.
Our friend from AOC.
DJ! Para
CJ, oh yeah. Definitely.
sabihin, nandadaya kami.
One of our good friends from this one. Yes, CJ in the house.
Jay!
The lucky winner of AOC C7 Series HD. Ito mo.
Wala.
Ako, okay lang ako, pero bahala kayo dyan. Bahala kayo dyan. Bahala kayo dyan. Tatanungin mo. Sabihin, just for transparency, who won that?
CJ. Angel Quinto.
Oh!
Angel Quinto in the house. Grabe naman. Paano yan? Paano yan? Manalo ko na Yoshi. O, paano ko yan? O, paano? Okay lang naman yan. Bahala kayo dyan. Bahala kayo mag-decide. O, Angel to, Angel. Picture na. Okay lang yan.
Yes!
One more, one.
Yeah. Dami ko invite.
Ito na!
Right. Here we go. Grabe yan. Grabe.
Okay.
Full exhaust to. Mind you.
Yes!
Full exhaust. Lang naman.
Yan.
Excuse by
Full kasama ba pipe dito?
Pipe in
Yes.
Kasama dyan, right?
So, full exhaust, kasama ang pipe.
All in.
Exhaust, tapos sa kanya yung pipe.
Patahimik ako. Yan, Zeus, kasama ang pipe at tube, no? Full exhaust.
Okay, dito na.
Yes.
Ayan. Bilang isa sa pinakakagalang-galang
Asyong!
kaibigan.
Asyong!
One of our legend.
Magkano?
Melito in the house.
Pipe. Yes!
Pag gusto niya mamarel, only here. Melito. Ay, grabe siya. Grabe to. Guys, magpalakpakan muna tayo lahat. Para sa sponsorship.
Yes!
Success.
Thank you, DK!
Group ng ating anniversary. And just to spill the bean right now, sabihin ka na, ikaw na mag-announce. Kasi,
I don't know.
Ulit!
Ulitin na natin.
Ulit!
Happy birthday!
Boy! Ate Bern!
it's Ate Burns.
Yes, names. Ate Bern.
Once again, red winner. Sulit ang pagod.
Oh my God.
Hawak ang beat.
Sino yung 5,000? 5,000 na, 5,000.
Yan. Diba?
Magkano?
Thank you so much. Congratulations once again, Ate Burns. Palakpakan po natin ulit. Winner. Super deserved.
Yes! Congratulations sa mga nanalo ngayon dito sa first anniversary ng Zotes 400 crew. Dito po sa Loco Itok,
Please do stand by. Meron po tayong
Laguna
games later.
Resort. Yes, grand prize si Ate Bern. Congratulations.
Yeah, so really appreciate
Yes.
I appreciate ko lahat kayo. And I'm really happy that you guys came. And this is something that we can give back to you guys. Every time you guys show up, we want to make sure na meron tayong to look forward to. Especially with these types of events. Everybody eats, everybody wins. Hopefully everybody wins, but only a few will win. But at least yung mga prizes natin, we're gonna get more sponsors, we're gonna get more people to show up, and we're gonna have more prizes for you guys. And also, we're ready to go eat.
Yung 500 para makalimutan.
Kumala doon. Send mo yung Gcash. Pag hindi mo sila the next 24 hours, makakalimutan.
Alaman nyo, 500. Mag-relapse na yan, 5 minutes.
Thank you.